Welcome back to KRS Investment, guys, where we make investments simple, simple. Guys, if you have not been following this channel, now you have realized that I've been giving you guys a lot of great information. You know what? I'm on the road today and I decided to step out of the norm and just shoot some videos directly from my phone so I could show you guys exactly what is going on. Now, the quality may not be the best, but the main focus is there, guys. Listen. I created a video back on January 20th and I let you guys know to buy Senseonics. Guys, the company was trading at $2.90. Shortly after that, we could see that the stock dropped down. If we go back here, let's just make you see a complete vision of what's going on. So back in January 20th, I let you guys know that it was a great investment. Now, I've been following this stock from earlier in January, make a lot of profit along the way. Now, back on the 20th, we saw there was a huge rise. Then there was a huge sell-off that happened. We saw the stock drop back to at one point in the $2.20 range. Let's just go here so we could see a better view of what's going on. Now, I do apologize again, guys. I'm only doing this because I want you guys to keep update with the market to see what's happening since we created our last videos. Now, if we look back, let's just go back here in January 20th around this price point. I'll let you know, guys, keep an eye on this company. There's a huge potential for the price to go on a roller coaster up. Now, we saw in the short term there was a huge sell-off. It drops to as low as $2.21, but then we start seeing an incline in the price. Now, the great news is for anyone that has been following this stock for a very long time, we can see in the last 3 months this is a serious upcline in terms of price projection. If you guys have been following this stock, today we saw a huge development. The stock crosses $4.25 high for the day. It's an all-time high in the last 52 weeks. Now, guys, again, if you guys jump on board when I let you guys know back on the 20th, we can see the price going up and down. Now we can see there's a huge price movement right now. Keep an eye, guys. As I said, the product that these guys are offering is something that will help people. Keep in mind, most people, not most people, but anyone who have any kind of health concerns in terms of if you're diabetic, this is a great solution. The product could monitor the levels with an app base, meaning that the patient could be more informed of what's going on. Guys, once these start going off the shelf, we will see this price skyrocket. Now, since I've been watching this stock, I've seen it gone from 86 cents, all right? And I just started following it recently, not for long. In the last month, I've seen it gone from 86 cents to $4.25. Now, we saw some pullback earlier in the day. It dropped to as low as $3.81. But now it's still staying very stable around $3.90 to $3.95. Now, I wish you guys had watched the first video, got in a little, and to get in a little bit earlier. Again, guys, I'm using my phone today. I'm on the road right now, so it's not my usual screen that you're familiar with. I just want to create a quick update for anyone that are subscribed to this channel, so you guys could be get notified what's happening in the market. Now, if you're subscribed, you will get a notification once I post this video, meaning that if you bought in the low 220, 230, it gives you a chance to sell if you're going short term. And if you're going long term, you could sell at a high price and rebuy at a lower price in a pullback situation as well. Or you can offload half of your shares and keep half in. It's really up to you guys. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys how to invest. I'm only letting you guys know what I'm doing. I unload some shares from my phone. Keep in mind, you do not need to be at your desk. I was on my phone. I was on the road. I pulled over very quickly once I get the alerts, and I was able to sell some shares at $4.15. Now, the price pulled back in the 381, as I said. I just got back in around 385. However, I am using a stop loss for 10 cents for the day. So if it drops below 10 cents for the day, then definitely it will protect my profit. It will do a sell-off for me. Now, again, guys, this price for this stock is very volatile. It's poised for growth, but right now I want to keep my profit while I have it. If you guys are watching this video, guys, if you look back, we can see in the start of January, it's coming from 86, 87, goes up to as high as $4.25. That's a huge 400% run in this month. I'm telling you, the stock market is going crazy. It's making us a lot of money. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this is one of the channel Also, I want to let you guys know what you can do before I go. This button here, and that's right beside the star button, it has a alert system. So you can actually alert, set a target price. For example, if you want to sell at 450, you put 450 in, you hit create. That means it will alert you once it gets to that price. Now, if you look in similar situation, you guys could see I have an alert for GameStop at that point. That is when it drops below 87 to start watching. That was great because I was able to capitalize on a few small trade. You can see the same thing for Frog right there. It's another software company. I use these alerts daily. Now we can see for car, this is a rent-a-car company, guys. When the stock was traded in the low $8, $9 per share, I put a mark in there. So if it crosses over 15 to jump on board. Once it crosses over $15, I bought up as many shares as I could. Now we can see it's trading at $44.23. Guys, these are just some of the trades that I do on a daily basis. So this is why I let you guys know it's very important, guys. Use the tools that's available to you, whether it's an alert system, whether it's a stop loss, to make sure that we're capitalizing on our profit as well as saving on the downstream as well. Guys, if you like what you just hear, please like, please subscribe so you can get notified just like this. I'm doing this so you guys could get alerts right away. Now, again, if you're going short term, and I hate to go too fast, keep in mind, guys, it is a great price right now. I sold personally when it got up to 415. I got back in, but I'm using a stop loss. Now with this stock, from what I know from been trading it, you can only use a stop loss on this stock if the price is above $3. Now, let me repeat. You can only put a stop loss on if the price is above $3 per share. If the price is trading below $3 per share, you cannot use a stop loss. Now, last 2 weeks, I've been doing a lot of trades on it. When it went down to $2.18, I bought up a lot of shares at $2.20. I wasn't able to use stop loss. It was a very moment of courage and determination, but I was able to do a few flips between 220 to 280. Then I got back in at 250. Now I was able to sell at 415, and I got back in just around 385. Guys, so I want to keep this very short and sweet. I'm on the road right now. Just want you guys to get updates. So if you're watching this video, do some research. There's lots of tools you can use online to get as many information as you can. Now, I have been watching this stock for a very long time, so I'm familiar with a lot of things that's going on. We can see it has a buy rating of 2.3. I let you guys know from 2-3 weeks back and to get in. If you guys got in at that point, you guys would be well over almost 100%. Now, if you look back, there's historical data you can go through, read up more information to see the big holders in this fund. Guys, again, I'm not a financial advisor. By no means I'm letting you guys know what to buy and what to sell. Now, keep an eye as well. You can see I've been following the cannabis market all morning to make sure that I'm up to date. But I'm doing this for you guys. You guys are my family. I want you guys to make the same amount of money as I make. It doesn't matter how much you invest, as long as you invest from this channel. If you're following the picks, what I'm doing, you should have been making at least 200 to 300% for January alone. In 2020, most of my followers are making 400 to 600%. Guys, like, share, subscribe. If you want to help your boy out, refer to a friend or family, and let's keep growing. Until next time, guys, peace out.